The Indian Air Force is well known for its courage, precision, and might. And today, the Suryakiran team demonstrated just that. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team, led by Group Captain Ajay Dasrathi.
Jai Hind everyone, welcome to You Are Limitless, You Are Limitless, and on today's episode we are here with the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team of the Indian Air Force. So let's start. So what was the main ideology behind forming the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team?
First of all, good morning. Nice to meet you all. I am Squad Leader Divakar Sharma. I am a pilot of Suryakiran Aerobatic Team. I fly in number 2's position, right next to the leader. The idea behind formation of Suryakiran Aerobatic Team is that the message of Indian Air Force of motivating the youth to join the defense forces and spreading the message of the defense forces across the nation. That was the main aim with which Suryakiran Aerobatic Team was formed, and since it has formed, it has motivated countless youth to join the defense forces, all the 3 services, and do something great for the nation.
So you mentioned about you play the role number 2. So what are the various roles that are there in the team, sir? And how are the roles decided for a particular person?
So there are total 9 aeroplanes which are flying in a formation. So there are total 9 call signs, that is from Suryakiran 1 to 9, which are flying in the formation, and they make a diamond. So every aircraft has been given a number starting from 1 to 9. As soon as we are selected in Suryakiran, we are divided into right flank and left flank. And once we are divided, then we stay in the respective flank. And as per the number, that is 2 and 3, they fly on leader's wing. They are known as the inners. 5 and 6, they are the outers. They fly on wing of number 2 and 3. 8 and 9 are the synchro pair. They perform the synchro maneuvers which you have just seen today. For 1, 4 and 7, they are known as the spine. They fly in line astern to each other in the center.
Yes. So what motivated you to join Suryakiran, sir? How did you join also, sir?
So everybody in Suryakiran team is a fighter pilot, and Flight Lieutenant Sandhu, she is a Adam fighter controller. She is the designated commentator, and rest everybody in the team is a pilot. We have 3 engineering officers. So all of us joined the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team with a very specific mission that we had. First of all, the pilots had the love for flying. Such kind of flying, we seldom fighter pilots get exposed to such kind of flying. And all the roles associated with Suryakiran, they are highly enriching. Seeing the youth, that how they get inspired by seeing Suryakiran performing, that itself is a very big motivator for all of us. And Sandhu will add on to this.
As Sir very rightly brought out, not only are the pilots at the top of their game when they're doing such kind of an aerobatic flying, but the youth and the audience present on the ground, even they are getting so inspired and motivated seeing this kind of an aerobatic display. And when they get motivated, and youth like you who are so passionate about the Indian Armed Forces, when we see young boys and girls so respectful of the forces and with aim to join the forces, we feel that we have achieved our mission of inspiring you all.
Ma'am, what are the aircrafts that are used, and why do you specifically use those types of aircrafts only?
So initially, when the team was established in 1996, the aircraft that was being used for this kind of aerobatic flying was the Kiran Mark II aircraft. Now, as the team progressed and as time went by, finally in 2015, the team was re-established with a different platform, which you can see flying today. Today, the team is flying the Hawk Mark 132 Advanced Jet Trainer. So, the reason why this aircraft has been used in this team is, of course, because it is an advanced trainer platform. It is highly maneuverable, it is lightweight, and the kind of skills that the pilots need to show, obviously the machine also needs to cooperate. So this is one of the best platforms that the aerobatics can be performed on.
Ma'am, out of all the countries and the nations you have performed in, which one has been your favorite?
Of all the countries that we have performed, of course, India is our favorite. We love performing in our homeland, and anywhere in India that we go, the josh of the people, the love which we get from the youth is unmatched, and there is no comparison. The displays in India are the most heartwarming ones.
So I have one question to you, sir. When you're flying, आपको डर नहीं लगता, sir?
And we are extremely trained for it. Everybody in the team, the pilot wise is a fighter pilot. They have good amount of experience. Additionally, after being a fighter pilot, they are all qualified flying instructors. They have completed their tenure as an instructor in the training academies. Like here, we are standing in AFA. So we have QFIs who are posted to AFA's instructors. They have now joined the team. So everybody is quite experienced. After that, they undergo a rigorous training schedule. After they have selected in SCAT. So after that, everybody is very comfortable, and the maneuvers and the show goes on like clockwork. So the training is rigorous, the people are motivated and skillful, the machine is good, and the audience is also wonderful. So everything does not let us feel anything else.
So there's currently a team that is formed, sir. So if there is some new officer that is to join the team, sir, how are they, like, the stunts that you do or the aerobatics that you do, they require a lot of rigorous training, like repeated training. So for a newcomer, how do they adjust, sir?
So first of all, as I mentioned, after completing their QFI tenure, they apply for Surya Kiran. After the pilots have applied, they undergo a selection trial. So after the selection trial, the limited number of pilots are selected. After seeing the requisite amount of skills are there, after that, the syllabus has been made structurally, in which they are made to progress very gradually from one maneuver to other with increasing complexity, and gradually they are made to fly in larger formations. So they start with 2 aircraft formation, then 4 aircraft, then 6 aircraft, and then finally they come into 9 aircraft and similar. So the syllabus is made in such a way so as to mitigate all these things.
So which is your favorite formation?
So the entire show, and as you asked that where did you like to perform? So we like to perform in India, and the entire show, the entire team, it is my favorite. It is the most selective thing, and each and every we have thought about it, and we like each and every one. We have thought about it, and it has been designed to be a worldwide audience and we should appreciate.
So which was the first formation that was introduced in SCAT team?
First formation as in 9 aircraft formation.
Yes.
So it is a signature formation. This is the 9 diamond, in which you can see in our patches also. It is a 9 diamond in which all the aeroplanes, they make the shape of a diamond and they fly in close proximity, which you had just seen in the entry.
So, ma'am, what impact do you hope your displays have on children and on the youth of India?
We don't hope, we know it that youth and children, they get extremely motivated because people seldomly see Air Force in action. So after seeing 9 aeroplanes flying in such close proximity, first of all, many people, they see this formation and they start their journey of getting to know what Air Force is, and then they have a dream of joining the Air Force. And after that, they want to become a pilot. So the main impact is spreading the word, and second main impact is the second in sequence will be inspiring the youth to take a step towards the defense forces.
So you had mentioned the role of a safety observer who's on ground coordinating with the SCAT team in the air. So how do they coordinate, sir? And what's like the main importance of an safety observer?
So on ground, apart from the aeroplanes which you have seen flying, we have a safety observer duty which I was doing today, and one commentator duty which Flight Leader Sandhu was doing today. She was introducing the maneuvers to the civilians who have just are seeing the maneuvers for the first time. And for the observer, I have to watch out for flight safety, as in case any safety is being violated. So I am there on ground to assist the formation in air. And additionally, I was liaising with the fly past here so that the formation can easily perform the show.
Sir, and one last question, sir. From the SCAT team, sir, what would be your message to the audience, sir?
My message to the audience will be SCAT has been made for all of us to see what your defense forces can do or what they are actively doing day in and day out. So in this world of social media where everybody is so active, everybody is looking out, everybody is watching, they are aware. We want that people should be aware about their defense forces, and they should take a step in their life that they do something for the nation, either by joining the defense forces or doing something for the nation in any of the government services.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It has been great talking to you.
Same here, same here.
And Jai Hind.